Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing our June BoxyCharm unboxing. Now BoxyCharm, if you guys don't know, it is a monthly subscription box where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for about $22 each month. Most times the value ends up being about $120 worth of things, and for $20 that's not too bad. This is actually my second time getting my BoxyCharm box. I did get the May box, but I got it so late that I figured there was no point me even filming about it because everyone else had already got their box by then, and I had already watched so many BoxyCharm videos that I figured me putting a video up at the end of May was going to be pointless. So I figured this month, it is still mid-June, so I'll go ahead and show you guys what I got. The cool thing about BoxyCharm is they do send you an email letting you know, like sneak peeks, kind of giving you something to be excited about. So BoxyCharm did send me an email and they did kind of show me a couple of products I was going to be getting, but they do leave about 2 to 3 products that are up to their imagination, so they don't let you know until you get your box. So let me go ahead and show you what the box looks like. Each month you'll get one of these black boxes, and inside each one has a theme. So this BoxyCharm for the month of June is Getaway. So when I think getaway, I think about like things you would use on the beach, you know, things that you would use when you're on vacation, just kind of lightweight products. And I think they kind of ring true to that if I'm on the same vibe that they are. So if you flip it over, it gives you all the specs for each product that you guys got. So I will be going down through each spec and showing you guys what I got, and I'll start in order just so it's consistent. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first, there is the Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. It says packed with 4 shimmer shades. I'm not gonna read this all to you guys. It just says it has 4 shimmer shades, 4 mattes, and it's a new palette. It says it has frosty cool pinks, rich bronzes, brown tones, blah blah blah, flatters all skin tones, and this goes for $36 USD. Let me go ahead and open this. This is actually a fairly large sized palette, and it's really pretty. It's got like palm leaves on it, and it's gold packaging, and it has the name of each shadow on the back. This is actually really heavy, and yeah, it's really pretty. You open it up, you get a big mirror, and you also get all the eyeshadows there. If you can see, it is like a neutral natural palette, and I could see why people would be upset about this, but for me personally, I realize I don't have a lot of just nude neutral tone eyeshadows, so this is actually perfect for me right now. And I will be doing a video on how I apply this. I will be doing a clip on how I apply this in this video, so stay tuned for that. Let's see what's next. Oh, actually, maybe I should swatch this. You guys, this video is going to be all over the place because I haven't had coffee yet and I am working on fumes. So I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I'm going to swatch a couple shades and see. The bronze shade, brown shade, pink shade. I'm going to swatch those now. There's a bronze. Oh, that's a really pretty color. There's a brown shade, that's a nice chocolatey brown, and that light that light dusty pink. Let me try swatching that one more time because that was a fail. Okay, as you can see, that pink barely shows up on my skin tone, just barely, but it might make a good transition color, so we'll see what happens. I'll swatch a couple more. I mean, there's only, what, 9 eyeshadows, so 8 eyeshadows? Yeah, there's only 8 eyeshadows in the palette, so I can probably just swatch them all here. That's that nice tan color. What else do we got? We have a, like, cool brown shimmer. What else am I missing? We got 3 more. We have a light metallic looking white shade. We have another metallic kind of champagne shade, and last but not least we just have a nude neutral shade. Okay, you guys can see, as you guys can see, the palette is it's very pretty. I feel like I would probably only work with these shades right here. I never use these light tones, so yeah, we're gonna use this a little bit later. So next up, we have the Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. There we go. And it says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Prime Essence. Infused with calendula, I don't know the word is, flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Now guys, I actually tried this out earlier this week, and when it comes to pores, I feel like it didn't really do anything for my pores, because you guys ever know when you get those little hole looking things on the side of your nose? I guess it's just your pores. I noticed I had those, and I honestly don't get them every day, but I noticed I had those when I used this, so I don't think it really did anything for my pores. I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. It's a very liquidy product. If you've used the essence before, it's standard. If you've never used the essence before, you're gonna think it feels like water, but actually it feels like what an essence is supposed to feel like. So if you go ahead and put it on your hand, you see it kind of just drips, but it's not super duper water feeling. Like, it feels very moisturizing, as most essences do, and yeah, it just is like a nice like light texture product. It kind of gave me a glow and a very hydrating feeling, so I didn't mind using it under my makeup. I surprisingly forgot that I had this product, so I didn't use it under my makeup today, so that was stupid on my part, but I'm just gonna say I think it's nice. I have to try it out more and let you guys know, but yeah, it works nice for what it is, so why not? Next on the list is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss, and I already took mine out the package because I had to smell it, and as soon as I smelled it, I was like, this is going in my purse. Like, you guys, I just have to smell it again. It's the prettiest lip gloss, and this is in the shade Peach Tea, and it's the nicest lip gloss. Okay, so what it says is it adds hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. And this goes for $17. And I forgot to mention that the No Problem goes for $23. So already with just this product alone, you got your money back. With the Tarte eyeshadow palette, you got your money back. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this looks like swatched. Oh my god, it smells so good. It literally smells like buttercream frosting. Like, not creme brulee, not anything else. It smells like buttercream frosting. So I'm gonna just swatch that for you guys. As you can see, it's a pink shade, and it is very sheer, but it's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some on my lips now. It is just the prettiest lip gloss, and it gives you just the slightest tint. Gosh, I live. That's so good. And you guys, I really don't like a lot of lip glosses, but I am obsessed with this. This makes your lips so smooth and soft. It's not snicky. It's not sticky. It's not goopy. It's so lightweight, and it is very moisturizing. So I definitely would recommend this, and I have been wearing it ever since I got my box. And I was trying not to touch my items that I got until I filmed this video, but this honestly was my favorite thing, hands down. Whew, my voice is gone, you guys. It is so raspy. Oh my god, it's so bad. Okay, so next up, I have the Skin&Co Roma Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. And this pretty much just is supposed to be a makeup remover. It has intense hydration, improves skin's resilience and tone. I'm trying to like sum it up. So this goes for $25. And you guys, I haven't used this yet because I am kind of not really in the market to use a new cleanser at the moment. I did just start using that Glam Glow Gentle Cleanse to take my makeup off, and I got that in my main BoxyCharm. So I've been using that lately, so I figured I didn't want to use another cleanser to kind of throw my skin completely off. So when I go ahead and start using this, I will post about it. But until then, I'm just not going to use it yet because I am just seeing how the other cleanser works on my skin. So last but not least, I have this Dirty Little Secret lip liner. This is the smooth and creamy. This Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. Now this lip liner is in the shade Rosy Posy, and it goes for $15. And it looks like it's a pretty like rose mauve color. I have not opened it yet, so we're gonna open it on camera. To be honest, I really don't like using pink lipsticks or pink lip liners most times, so I probably won't even use this. But I will go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It is a wooden pencil, which is okay with me. I don't mind wooden pencils too much. It is a really pretty pink color. And honestly, if you're a little bit lighter than I am, you might like using this with this lip gloss. That would probably be really pretty, but I know me, I know I'm probably never gonna wear this color as a lip liner, so it's pretty to have, it's nice to have, but I'm probably not gonna use it on myself. Alright you guys, so now that we've been through our whole box, I definitely feel like I got my money's worth this month. I feel like everything is super nice and pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you a quick eyeshadow look using that Tarte palette. Now my eyes are already primed. I don't have anything on them now besides concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick little eyeshadow look. I'm gonna speed through it. I'm not gonna talk through it, and yeah, hopefully it turns out good, and I will be back to guys. I hope it turns out good, and I'll be back to show you guys what the finished product looks like. Okay guys, so I'm back and this is how the eyeshadow turned out. I didn't put any liner on because I'm really not going anywhere today, but yeah, I think it turned out really pretty. It's very, very, very lightweight shadows. I feel like they are almost on the sheer side, which is okay if you're going for that very like neutral, natural look. But yeah, I mean, I think they turned out really pretty. I don't think anything is crazy or super metallic or duochrome or anything, but I think if you need something light and you just want to be really quick and go for something a little bit more on the natural side, I definitely think this palette will do that for you. I think all the shades seem to really blend really well together, and they all seem very, you know, just very pretty and lightweight. So yeah, I think it's a nice palette. I don't know if I would necessarily say if you didn't get the BoxyCharm to go out and buy it. I wouldn't really say that, but I do think for what you pay, it is nice to have, and it's very compact and it has a mirror, so I think it'd be good for traveling just because you can kind of just toss it in there. You could use a couple of these shades as highlighters, so yeah. Anyway, thank you so much you guys for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys soon. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe, please. I would desperately need to get more subscribers. I feel like I really want to have a community. I really want to have a group of people. So yeah, if you guys could go ahead and subscribe to my channel, that would be really cool. And yeah, go ahead and like this video if you liked it. And yeah, have a good night.